everyone here. Why all of us are here on a Saturday morning where you would have spent your time with your family. Now, I'm not a very old on Twitter, last 1 year happening, and typically I've seen the trend, evening 9 o'clock, 9 to 10 o'clock, you see the maximum tweets which are like, emanating. And what are they on? They are on the debates which would have happened on few channels, TV channels, the mainstream media as we say. And the people after that, depending on whether whatever the thought processes people have, whether they have been addressed or not, whether the debate has happened in the sense in which people think it should happen, they come out, vent their all the anger, frustration on Twitter. That's the outlet which this Twitter has provided. They try to voice it out. But the single point is, the common thread here for all of us is their frustration, their some sort of anger against mainstream media for not voicing the whatever thought, the concept, the ideas which people have. So, if this is a common thread, can we do something to address that? Now, mainstream media, you have newspapers, you have television channels. Starting one, you need huge amount of resources, but can we take towards that? Can some of us come together? Now new channels, you have the procedures, you have a lot of government approvals required, investment is required. But maybe like of the 100 people over there, some of us would be knowing somebody who might be willing to work in this direction. Can we come together and create a platform to fight it out against the MSL who currently a lot of us believe that are sponsored, they are working towards objective people who have the resources, who have who are leading this entire discourse, this entire public opinion, and who work for the people who as we say the hat. And these hats are who the entire the people who have run this country in the last 60 years. And the people who support him, so be it the people who have the money, I'm talking about the business class, these are people who have this entire, the political class. So we need an alternate platform, and I think one of the things which, not today, maybe in future, as we progress, we can come together and create that platform, to voice a contrarian opinion. This is what, really more. And one more thing, I've heard some of the people say that you can't be doing everything all the time, so we'll have to focus. Second thing which I would like to voice is, we need to discriminate between the good and bad. Everybody, if you start saying that, ye bhi acha hai, wo bhi acha hai, then this entire, the thing which has brought us together, that will be lost. The zeal will be lost. So we need to discriminate people who are good from the people who are bad. Now, all of us, we are not paragons of virtue. We have our own feelings. But we need to figure out where the motive is bad, where the objective of the person or the institution, which is what will ultimately be detrimental to the interest of the country. So we need to positively discriminate. This is what I feel should come out, and as we come together and as we progress in this journey, these are a few things which we need to address, work on.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. My handle is Abhishek Patil, 7771. So I came from Central Home Minister's city, सोलापुर. So मेरे हिसाब से सोलापुर में कोई यूज़ ही नहीं करता ट्विटर, तो मैं अकेला यूज़ करता हूँ. मतलब मैंने बहुत लोगों को कोशिश की जानना, पर कोई नहीं ऐसा नहीं मिला. और ट्विटर एक ऐसा जगह हो गया है जहाँ गवर्नमेंट अभी कर रही, मतलब रिसेंटली 6 महीने पहले गवर्नमेंट ने 16 अकाउंट ब्लॉक करने का सोचा. हमें मतलब जिसके पास आर्मी है, नेवी है, एयरफोर्स है, जिसको देश पूरा सिक्योर करना जानता है, वो हमसे क्यों डर रहा है? It means we have a power. We have power. और हम लोग ऐसे ही साथ में मिलके आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। और ट्विटर पे आज अपने इंडियंस को देखा तो रिसेंट 20 मिलियन समथिंग उतने लोग हैं, और फेसबुक पे देखा तो लगभग 5 करोड़ लोग हैं। तो मुझे ये कहना है कि हम लोग ट्विटर पे जो करते हैं वो फेसबुक पे नहीं होता। अगर हमने नरेंद्र मोदी जी के आटो मतलब कोई रिसेंट मतलब उनके रिलेटेड कोई टॉपिक आया तो बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव वहाँ पे कमेंट्स पढ़ते हैं। हमें ये करना है कि फेसबुक से उन लोगों को एक एक्यूरेसी के लिए ट्विटर पे लेके आना है, और जो ये अच्छी बात है। और बस
अभी मैं आपसे एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ। आप कहते हैं कि शोलापुर में ज़्यादा लोग इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं। ये जब वीडियो लोड होगा YouTube पे, आप अपने दोस्तों में बांटिए और कोशिश कीजिए कि फॉलो करें। Anybody else who would like to share? I'll just connect ladies first.
Hello. Hi, my name is Isha, and my Twitter handle is IKASHYAP. I'm about 2.5 years old on Twitter. Seriously active since about a year. I really appreciate what him and the organizers have done well. Again, like somebody said, we have a face to the Twitter handles now. The meeting, I believe, is going fantastically well. Probably the meeting for the first time, which is why there's too many ideas coming in. We have so many things within us that probably 140 words were too difficult to describe on Twitter. So right now, everything from an RTI to political parties to a couple of wings, etc. is just coming together. Just a suggestion. There's a student body called ISEC, if some of us would know. These are essentially, 17 to 20-year-old kids who, during their graduation time, they get together and they work for, the cause of basically arranging for internships in work profiles for kids who would want to go and work out of country. Beyond this, they are involved into a lot of social work also. So, they have a fantastic reputation with the corporate world also. This group is, I would like if everyone listens to me. Please, I know everyone has a lot to talk. Please listen. Everyone. So I was mentioning there's a body called ISEC. Of course, it's a 60-year-old organization, so, they have taken their time to establish their name, across the world. But they work in chapters. So they have cluster chapters, they have city chapters, they have area chapters. There's a person who comes from Solapur, which I think is amazing. Somebody from Ahmedabad. I am basically from Baroda. And then I moved to Bangalore and I recently moved to Bombay. So the reason why I gave this background is I have moved from a small city to a mid-sized city to probably a metro now. The attitudes differ. The passion also to some extent is different. Let's probably structure what we want to achieve. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Let's structure our thoughts. Currently, now that we have everyone here, we can just probably pass on 1 or 2 sheets of paper where everyone can mention their email IDs. Let's make a Google group. Meeting guests probably on a quarterly or a half-yearly basis for now makes sense. But the person who's come from Ahmedabad or Solapur, please encourage more people to come to social medium. Facebook probably is liked a little more by people, I personally believe, is because you have a lot of personal interactions happening. The best thing about Twitter is, I know faceless people, but our minds really connected. So one, please try encouraging people to come on Twitter. Second, let's have a Google group formed immediately so that at least after this meet we keep in touch. Twitter is like a huge world. I'm not sure if I've jotted down every single person's Twitter handle here. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to connect, on Twitter with the person or not. Let's have a Google group. Let's share our thoughts about the meeting. What have we spoken about? Not like the minutes of meetings early, but just the thoughts. What could have been done, and where do we take it forward from here? And please circulate along with that video, just the thought as a document amongst your friends that, see, it's not just really time pass. So when I was coming for this conference, my husband just asked, what are you doing? I said, there's a meetup and it's so cool and I'll be meeting all the people and all. He said, is this really an advanced version of how in school we used to meet our online chat friends? I said yes. Probably he wasn't completely wrong, but yes, at that time the objectives were different. Here, I think we are a little more serious, a little more intellectual, and I believe the future for a group like this is much better. So, as a person, I am willing to take the responsibility of trying to manage the Google group. If everyone can circulate your email ID, let's just start connecting with each other beyond 148 characters. Yeah? Thank you.
Isha, we did not share the email IDs on purpose because we had to be very sure that everybody wanted to exchange their email IDs with the others. Because all email IDs, when you registered, are with us. If everybody agrees, that Excel sheet can be shared to everybody. And then you can connect and you can take the process forward. You don't need to seek permission. You just say, this is my initiative, how many people want to join? And you will have this group. And it's your ownership. Take it forward. You're not reporting to anybody. Thank you. Anybody else?
Hi, I'm Nagesh and my Twitter handle is Shetty Nagesh. Okay, my Twitter handle is Shetty Nagesh. The only reason I am here is that I wanted to add one more point to what you said is that if you can have your area from you're coming from in Bombay, if you are from Goregaon, so you know who is in Goregaon and if suppose some idea clicks of something to do within Goregaon, so then I know who to get in touch with or just send a mail across to them that okay, this is the program that I'm going to arrange there. Secondly, personally, I am more interested in doing something on democracy because I think this is a very, very critical area in the time to come. We are living in a democracy and demographics is going to play a large role. So anybody who wants to join me in this exercise of writing notes, taking some analysis on this, can get in touch with me. That's all I want.
All the members here, does anybody have an objection if your email ID or your Twitter handle is shared with the rest of the participants? Please raise your hand if you have any objection. Nobody has an objection? Then your email IDs and your Twitter handles are going to be shared with all.
Yeah.
And please feel free to form your own groups to take whatever initiative you want to take forward. Whoever doesn't, you are not going to report to anybody. There is no hierarchy here.
My name is Nikhil Kotian and my Twitter handle is the same. I just wanted to make few random points. Firstly, I agree with the people who mentioned that the main reason why we are here is because the mainstream media is not accurately representing us like the political parties. So something needs to be done regarding that. Protest or in what manner needs to be discussed. And there's one point, we paint all the politicians the same. All politicians are corrupt. I personally was of the same opinion, but then you happen to see Dr. Subramania Swamy and then few here and there. So there is little bit of hope with that regard. And there is this point being made again and again about acting individually, or like you had raised that we are not organized, so people are not willing to take up causes individually. And then Sucheta Dalal came up with few examples of how there are 3 individuals who are making a change. The debate is not actually individual or organized. You just have to act. If you can act individually, act. If you want, you can organize, then what floats your boat is okay. It's not, you can't go against someone who is acting individually and say you go and act in an organized manner. So that debate doesn't really stand. Whoever acts, like Krishna says, you are entitled to your action, not to the fruit. So you just have to act. And one more thing, with us being exposed to the media, we are really focused on the politics of center. We are not much connected with the politics of the state or even local governments. Let me give you an example. I was just passing by a road in my area, and there is some Jawaharlal Nehru Rural Development Mission project happening. They put up a nice board saying this project cost is 500 crores, and there is a very small building of area not even this big. Now, since we are focusing on 1,70,000 crores and all these big scams, we are not really keen to take up these issues. We are like, अरे बड़े मच्छी को मारेंगे, इन लोग क्या है, छोटे मोटे के साथ तो अपने इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. So we need to start acting locally, group ourselves locally, and only then will we gain strength together if we want to fight the center. So that's the final point I wanted to make. Thank you.
Anybody hungry? People are not hungry? You don't want lunch? Hey, come on.
Well, once again, German speak. To continue up the